Israel Defense Forces has launched another airstrike in Qatar, targeting the leaders of Hamas and the negotiators. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu take full responsibility of the most recent attacks. Son Santiago has the report.
Tensions in the Middle East have escalated after Israel launched an airstrike on Qatar, targeting political leaders of Hamas on Tuesday. Israel officials confirmed to Reuters that the strike in the capital Doha was aimed at top Hamas leaders currently residing there, including Khalil al-Hayya, the group's exiled Gaza chief and chief negotiator. The strike comes after two Palestinian gunmen killed 6 people at a Jerusalem bus stop last October 7. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said that they will take full responsibility for the attack.
On this day, as in previous days, Israel acted wholly independently, and we take full responsibility for this action. And this action can open the door to an end of the war.
Meanwhile, Israeli media reported that Hamas confirmed the deaths of 5 members, including the son of al-Hayya, while Qatar's negotiating team survived. The nation also condemned the strike and stated that the move clearly violated international law. It can be recalled that Qatar is currently mediating between Hamas and Israel. Meanwhile, in Gaza, panic spread as Israel urged Palestinians to evacuate Gaza City ahead of its effort to end Hamas' last strongholds. According to Israeli figures, Hamas' assault killed 1,200 people and led to 251 hostages being taken as the war continues. While Palestinian officials says over 64,000 have died in Gaza during Israel's offensive. On the other hand, no Filipinos were directly affected by the offensive in Qatar, according to the Philippines Department of Foreign Affairs. This is Son Santiago for EuroTV News.
Hi, I'm Alvin Pelabello. Catch the late night news on EuroTV Newsthread only here at EuroTV Philippines. You may also watch our delayed telecast at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website eurotvph.com for more news and information.